On today's Hurricane Gear Test, we are talking tools. Meteorologist John Dawson says you should look for compact tools that can serve more than one purpose.
He has a survival shovel that also has 15 other functions.
When talking about tools for emergency preparedness, a classic multi-tool is usually the first thing you think of. But today, I have a survival shovel with some hidden features. So on today's Hurricane Gear Test, we're going to deconstruct this versatile emergency shovel. I think that's the best way to see all that it can do. This is the ESPNMAN Survival Utility Shovel. So this has a hollow handle, and I'm excited to show you everything that's inside of it. We'll start at this end and just kind of work our way down. First of all, you know I love illumination, right? Well, here's a flashlight that's built into the bottom of this end of the handle. And on the very, very end, you're going to notice that it also has a compass that's built in there. And then there's a ferro rod inside for starting fires. And on the other end of the ferro rod, there's even a safety whistle. And I'm always a fan of a safety whistle. Now let's keep moving here. This is when we're really going to start getting to the good stuff. You've got a large and very sharp knife that comes out of the next section. And moving on, we have what I'll refer to as a glass breaker. They refer to it as an attack cone. So whether you're breaking glass or attacking something, you're going to be able to do it with that. And then this is my favorite. It is a harpoon. A very sharp, a very dangerous harpoon. And remember, that could be at the end of a longer pole if those are all together. And then, of course, you've got the shovel itself, and it can be positioned to where it also acts as a hoe. But wait, there's more. In addition to everything that you've seen here, there's also an axe head, and it can be added onto one of the handles. Now, when broken down, this really becomes very compact. Everything fits neatly into this small case. I give the ESPNMAN Survival Utility Shovel a Cat 3 out of 5 on my Hurricane Kit Priority Scale. Their website has more than one emergency shovel listed, and the best I can tell, this one costs $183.50. Do you have a favorite brand multi-tool? Share it with me on my YouTube channel. Just search for meteorologist John Dawson.